Good morning, boys and girls. Today what we're going to do is open our Minnesota or our state PowerPoint. My example happens to be the Minnesota PowerPoint. So the first thing we're going to do is go up here to the Finder and then go to your Documents, and then in your Documents folder somewhere you'll find your PowerPoint. So I'm going to double click to open that. And I'm going to actually look at this in the normal view here, like this. It's something that I prefer to have it look that way when I'm making edits here. Okay. The next thing I want to do is I have my PowerPoint all finished. So what I want to do is put in slide transitions. What will happen to the transitions or as we move from slide to slide. So I'm going to click on transitions in this tab up here. So here's where you'll see all the different transition options. You can click on the arrow this way to see more options, or you can click on the arrow here and you can see all of the different options available. Okay, you don't want to get too crazy with your transitions. You don't want it to distract from the message that you're giving to the audience, but you do want to pick something that will go between them. So let's try this cube effect. So I'm going to click on that, and that's what it'll look like when you start your show. We'll go to the next slide and choose another one. Now, typically, when you're doing a presentation, you want all of your transitions to be the same. So you would maybe pick the same transition. So maybe you want to just experiment a little bit and pick something that you think you might like. Okay, that one's a little too flashy for me. So maybe I do something like that. Okay. In the end, when you're done with this, I want you to pick the same transition for each slide. Okay, so I've decided that I'm just going to do the uncover transition right here for all of my slides. So I'm going to go back to, where did the uncover one go? Right here. And I'm going to do that to all of those slides. Let's go uncover, and the fourth one we'll do the same thing, uncover. All right, I'm going to go back to my first slide, click on my slideshow view, and let's check it out as the whole show. So that's what the transitions will look like in your presentation. Go ahead and take a try on this. Try out a couple different ones, but make sure by the time you're done with your picking out your transitions that you have the same transition throughout your show. All right, good luck.